Good morning, this is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 10th of November. My disclaimer, it is for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, let's have a look at Bitcoin. And Bitcoin rallied back above the 50-week moving average at 103,211 at the end of the week. So at the moment, that has been tested pretty hard last week, but that is holding, and that is very much the key support level here that I am watching. On the daily chart, weekly pivot is at 104,801. We've got the daily middle band at 108,030. We're back over the weekly pivot, of course, but the key test that I'm looking for, as I am looking for it on equities as well, is the test of the daily middle band. Break and convert that, and while we still have the 200 DMA at 110 over it, where potentially on the way back to a retest of the high. Here, I would say that it's really both the daily middle band and the 200 DMA. But if we can get over both, then the 50 DMA at 111,889, then the way is clear for a retest of the high. And that may be what is coming. In terms of the hourly chart, the buy signal, the hourly buy signal made target. This is what I'm watching here. This is a potential bull flag wedge. So if we get over the resistance at 110, this wedge would be breaking up with a potential target at a retest of the high. Could this be a double bottom here? No, it's too large. But nonetheless, if we get over this, then we've potentially got a bull flag breaking up with a retest of the high, which will be shifting the odds towards the bulls, obviously. Looking at Solana, we didn't have a big area to close over. Obviously, we closed well under the weekly middle band at the end of the week. The new weekly pivot is at 166.60. We're back over it at the moment, and we're testing we're back testing at the moment the broken head and shoulder neckline. But the main resistance I'm looking at is at the daily middle band at 179.20, and that's backed up by the 200 DMA, which is at 180.38. So that is the key area that needs to be recovered. But if you can get over that, then again, we've got a shot at a retest of the high here. So in terms of the hourly chart, the RSI 14 buy signal made target, and this is the potential wedge here, which isn't as nice as the other two, but still looks reasonably decent. This is right. Looking at Ethereum, we closed well over the 50-week moving average there. Again, that is the key level that I'm watching. And I'm watching for a back test of the daily middle band. I've got that at 37.40. We're back over the 200 DMA at 34.24 now, and obviously above the daily middle band, we've got the 50 DMA at 3994. But again, if we can get through the daily middle band and hold above it, then again we've got a shot at a retest of the high and the failure of this head and shoulders. So we shall see. All right, great. Let's have a quick look. I haven't got the current weekly pivot here on Ethereum marked in yet. I've got that at 3519. So I'm going to be marking that on before I post the chart this morning. All right, great. Let's have a look at questions. Can Bitcoin be backtesting the neckline as well? Yes. So although it's not a neckline technically, because obviously it's a double top, it's a neckline on the head and shoulders. But yeah, can it be backtesting the broken double top support? Yes, and we're pretty close to that at 106.6. But I would say more important than that is the daily middle band. That's the main area I'd be looking at. But yeah, this may well be backtesting. And actually, if you look at Ethereum too, we are also currently backtesting the broken head and shoulder support. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care. I will catch you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers.